Transistor and IC Moscow. You can 5198 numbers. It need to be changed. It's amplifier and voltage, more voltage and currents are changeable as per requirements, and a speaker like this it's not working, so that's why it need to be changed. This is soldering process mechanics. Soldering to transistor. This is the worn out and damaged transistor which was open and changed in order to fit new transistor. So guys, please see, this is the new transistor exchange and fitted due to create more good sound quality to the device, because transistor or IC and morphos one of the best devised. This is adhesive. This is in order to protect from outer sides, and this is added here plastic quality. Presents. Actually guys, please see, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's fitting transistor switches, drivers, and finally now it is done and it is going on. Transistor is changes and IC morphos, that is called also, as well as it is one of the most devised in these equipments. So the work is done. Now there are electronics. That's all guys. Now it is fine, machine is working guys.